I can never get anything to work. What the hell, guys? Seriously. All right, I'm trying to be professional here. It's not working out. Shit. Busted again. How's it look? We okay? Getting serious now. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. I am Lady Locks, and today I'm taking you on a little adventure through the LPU Belt Explorer. So let's just get right into it. The website I'm about to show you is not a secret, but a lot of people don't know about it, and it's really a shame. I'm going to leave a link to everything I'm talking about in the description of this video, so make sure that after the video, you go check it out. I don't know where we are on the video here. Okay, I think I found it. So the LPU has designed a belt ranking system that we use in order to rank ourselves in our, skill level in Locksport, and we also use the same belt ranking system to rank locks according to difficulty level. So when you first pull up the LPU Belts Explorer, you're going to land right here on this page. Now on this page is a list of all of the locks that the LPU has ranked. You can actually either search for individual locks by using the search bar at the top here, or you can go to the top and click through the belts listed here. Each belt that you click on will pull up an alphabetical list of locks that are ranked at that belt level. In the top right hand corner, this is where you would click on the little guy up here and create yourself a profile. Now in that profile, you can actually start inputting all the locks that you've picked, all the locks that you own, and you can even create a wish list and all the locks that you wish you had, all right? This is actually my personal profile, and I've input most of my locks here, but I did put in all the ones that I've picked. Once you've input all your locks, you can click on the lock collection. It'll bring up a list of all the locks in your collection, so you can actually take a look at it. Now, again, this is my collection we're looking at, so nothing great here. I don't really have that many listed. You can click on scorecard, and it actually gives you a scorecard now and shows you all the locks that you've picked, your belt ranking level, etc. As you can see, I'm a third Dan. I've got 309 points, and I only need 26 more points to make it to fourth Dan, which you guys know I'm trying really hard, but I'm going crazy trying to find locks for this. There's also a black belt frequently asked questions tab. I suggest if you are going through the belts and you eventually want to get to black belt, you should probably check that out. It's got a lot of good information. Back at the locks homepage, we're going to go to the menu on the left. Alright, so we're going to click on this menu right here, and it brings up a whole list of stuff we can check out. First, we're going to check out belt requirements. This tab is going to actually show you everything you need to know about how to get ranked in the LPU. This will tell you how to submit for a belt on Reddit and also on Discord. But it's a great place to go for all the information you'd like to know about belt ranking requirements. If you're finding this video helpful or you do like my channel, please click that subscribe button. A lot of you guys watch my videos, but you don't subscribe. So please don't forget. Okay, I'm so annoyed. I'm annoyed by myself, basically. I'm gonna eat a snack. I don't know what the fuck I was doing here. I'm losing my ever-loving mind. Sorry, guys. Alright, there's still so much more to show you guys. Let's get back into it. Next up is the Safe Locks tab. Now, if you're not into safe cracking, this tab isn't for you. But if you are into safe cracking and you want to get into it, this is where you would check that out. Now, remember that scorecard we were checking out in our profile? This is another place that you can check that out under leaderboards. Now, if you click on any of these tabs under the leaderboard section, this is where you can check out where you rank in all the locks that you own. Or if you are a black belt, you can check out where you rank among the other black belts. As you can see, I'm all the way down at 26, so I better get my butt in gear. They've got a glossary tab, which I absolutely love. I didn't even know about this until I was doing this video, but this glossary tab's amazing. This actually has a list of a ton of different words that are related to Locksport. So sometimes you don't know what something's called, or you hear somebody talking about something and you're not sure what exactly it is. You can come over to the glossary and you can either type it in right here at the top and see if it's actually listed, or you can just go through the list and learn all the different names of all the things in Locksport. Now, keep in mind that it's not a complete list of every word we use, but they are adding to it all the time, but it is very, very cool. There is a tab for learning all about the Dan system. If you are looking to become a black belt, you may want to do the Dan system after you've made black belt. There's all kind of information under this tab. All right, we've got Masters projects. This is actually the Epic Quest that we talk about, Epic Quest for Black Belt. You actually need to have 2 Epic Quests complete for Black Belt, and this is the tab where you can find out all about what you would actually need to start working on in order to get those Epic Quests complete. Now, if you are going for Black Belt someday, I suggest you go over here and check out the Epic Quest and try to make yourself a plan early on, because it does take a while to complete these quests. They are epic after all. There's also a tab for LPU belts, which again just tells you all kind of information about LPU belts, and you might want to just read it over and kind of familiarize yourself with all this stuff. Last but not least, there's more from the LPU. There are 2 different sections here. The first one is the Lock Bazaar. That is where you can find some cool locks that you probably haven't seen anywhere else. The Lock Bazaar is where we go to buy and sell a bunch of our locks, and these are all bought and sold through the community. So check out the Lock Bazaar if you're looking for a lock. Also, there is Speed Picks. If you want to go check that out, this is where people pick locks super quickly. And when I say super quickly, I mean some are picked in under a second. It's absolutely crazy. But if you want to get in on it, if you are somebody who does speed picking, or you just want to check out the records for some of the crazy locks that are out there, go check out Speed Picks. The most important part of this is the profile, right? You want to create your profile and input all of your locks so you too can be a part of the leaderboards and all of that. And it's really cool to actually see the progress you've been making. So don't forget, all the links are in the description of this video. Go check it out. There's just so much information here, guys. I could be here for days showing you everything that's in this website, but I'm not going to do that because I don't feel like it. You can go check it out for yourself. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.